evening yet. Hello, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are you all doing? Are you all doing alright on this Sunday afternoon in a rather gloomy and grey Britain right now? So I'm in England. I live in Sussex, hence the name Sussex Sandra, and obviously my first name is Sandra. And I do YouTube unboxings of beauty box subscriptions. And excuse me, I've got a bit of hair in my face and it's bothering me. Right, there we go. Right, so so today I am going to be doing another one of my American beauty boxes. Now, for those of you who are a little bit confused, because I live in the UK, how am I doing American beauty boxes? Yes, I live in the UK, but I also get most of my beauty boxes from the United States of America. And how I do that is I use one of the many sort of shipping companies that are out there based in the States that allows you to shop in the US, and then they give you an address and then you can get your products from your online shopping delivered to this address, and then when you're ready you can get those products shipped to you in the UK. And that's what I do. So I subscribe to sort of various American beauty box subscriptions in the States. Using the address they give me, I use my credit debit card that's based here in the UK, which is again no problems. When all of my beauty boxes have been delivered to the address of the company where I store all my goods, the company I use, by the way, is Stackery. There are many others. There's Stackery, there's Shapito, there's also My US, and there's various others. But I named the other two because I've used both of those before as well. I'm currently using Stackery, who have worked very well for me so far. So once I've got all my products delivered to Stackery, I then get them consolidated. So that usually means that they put them in all one box, and then I get it shipped to me over here in the UK. So by the time that all happens, it's usually at the end of that subscription month or the beginning of the following month. So that's what's happened in this case. So I actually received all of my April boxes towards the end of April, and I have filmed sort of most of them, and I'm doing the last box today. And the last box I'm doing today is the FabFitFun the Beauty Edit. So this is something that's recently been done by FabFitFun. So they've created literally a beauty box of the products they do feature in their normal seasonal FabFitFun boxes. So this box costs $29.99, which is about £22 in UK sterling pounds. You get four, is it four? I think it's 4 full-size products inside the box. I can't remember. I'm pretty certain it's 4 full-size boxes for that £22. You do get to choose what items you want. So they give you 4 sections, and there's usually 3 or 4 things in each section, and you can pick which product you want. I can't remember anything about the April selections at all. I don't think I was that enthralled, but again, I'm always like that. I always wait till I receive the products and then I get my true opinion. So shall we go ahead and open up this box and see what I got in my April beauty edit from FabFitFun? Let's go. Alright. Okay, here we go. Let's go. So we've got the first thing here, which is... This is something we're getting a lot of in the beauty boxes now. We're just getting so much of it. I literally just did one in my GLOSSYBOX one. So this is from a brand called Ultraviolet, and it's a vibrant screen SPF 50, and it's our sweat safe face and body screen. So this is something you can use all over your body. So it's a sunscreen. It's got SPF 50, which is good. I'm assuming it's broad spectrum and it's big enough, so this is something I can use all over my body, which is, to me, that's probably why I chose it, because it's something I can use all over my body. Because I tend to get heat rash, because I've got an autoimmune disease. I'm very sensitive to the sun, very sensitive. I'll get rashes, heat rashes, and my body will actually ache if I'm out in the sun too much. I know, it's very strange, isn't it? So as much as I enjoy the sun, my body doesn't enjoy it anymore. So I do have to do lots of things to protect my skin. So I'm one who wears SPF all the year round, which everybody should be doing. but I will wear SPF 30 all the year round to protect my skin, and I do tend to keep my skin, especially my arms or my legs, covered up because yeah, it's not a great effect on me. It doesn't work well. So that's the first product. If this is something that is sold here in the UK, I will put the details up on the screen around me, but usually over here. All right, so that's the first product. Next I have got, what is this? This is from Cali Ray. I do know this brand, I've seen this brand before, and it's a Super Social Bloom Lip and Cheek Hydrating Soft Stain. And now, if I know anything about these boxes, it's going to be one of those sort of rosy, soft colour, which they say is a universal colour, but it's all a bit pale on my skin tone. But we'll see. Let me not assume, because I can't remember at all. The shade I got here is Laguna Peach. Oh, might be a little bit on the orangey side, which would be cool. It's nice to receive an orangey blush, but I don't think it is. Let's have a look. So that's the colour. If it is that colour and it's not milky, that could be alright. Let's have a look. Okay, it's looking even more promising. I'm just going to swatch some of it on the back of my hand here. Okay, this could work. This is going to be nice. Oh, actually, no, this is alright. It's a light colour. It's not too... See? It's just going to give a flusher colour. That's going to give me a little bit of that sun-touched kind of colour. I've got a blush on at the moment. What blush have I got on? Oh, I've got on the Say one. I just love that Say one so much, but I've got that one again. So if I put this on, you might not be able to even see the difference. Can we even see that? It's not really showing up, is it? But which is good. The fact that it's... Oops. There we go. I'll just put some on there. It's literally blending into this colour here. So that shows it's going to work fine. So yeah, I'm all good with that. That's fine. That's going to get used up really quickly, I can tell. Alright, next we've got a big thing here. What's this? This is from Messy by Ali Weeb. And let me just take it out. This, look at this container. I'll show it to you first before I destroy it. Don't know what it is. So, I will not be broken overnight. Repair hair serum. Oh, it's a hair serum. Alright, let me... Oh, it's all sealed, that's why. Okay. Oh, okay. Come with the presentation, guys. So we've got the little thing there that's just flown off. It's just a little cap for that. But so it's an oil of some sort, and it's a I will not be broken overnight repair hair serum. Okay. Don't know anything about this product, but yeah, I obviously chose it to give it a go. I'm all about hair products. If you've seen the amount of hair products I've been buying recently, every time I see something new, I buy it. And then I get it, because I just got some this week from Bask and Lava, which is a new brand again. So it's a whole range of products I bought. And I looked at it and I thought, oh, this looks really exciting. Because it's got botana oil in it, which is supposed to be really, really good. And then I looked at it and then I looked at my area for hair products. I was like, yeah, it's going to take me a good few years to get through all of this stuff. Yay! It doesn't stop me. It's like, yay! But every time I see something, it's like, ooh, that looks interesting. Buy. Purchase. I'm awful. I'm a proper shopaholic. I realise that now. Anyway, final product in this box is from Too Faced, and it's a Quickie Queen. What am I getting from Too Faced? I thought that was a brand I've kind of given up on. So this is chocolate sprinkles. But what is it? It is... Oh, it's a shadow stick. It's a cream eyeshadow stick. Oh. What I'm wearing today is I got a shadow stick from... What's that brand? Beauty Craft. Love Beauty Craft in my Ipsy Extra, and it was blue, and I'm wearing that now. So I'm wearing it as an eyeliner and as a shadow, and I love it, love it, love it. That's how it's looking. So we've got another shadow stick here in the shade Chocolate Sprinkles from Too Faced. Let's look at the colour. Don't know how that's gonna show up on me actually. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the same hand which I've been doing everything. Okay, so on me it's like a bronzy colour. That will actually look alright as a sort of nude look, as an everyday thing. That will look alright. Yeah, I can't put it on over what I've got on here, but yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I could see me wearing this. And it's dry, it's very dry. I think that will work all right. Okay, okay. So my box for the month of April from the FabFitFun Beauty Edit, we've got this, which I'm more than willing to wear this week and try out, and I'll be trying out the blush as well this week, so that's all good. I will try this out at some point, I'm not sure when, probably after I've just washed my hair, and I'll put it in then. So I literally just washed my hair yesterday, so it's not then. And then we've got the body SPF. It's all good. I will start to use it when there's a little bit more sun out. At the moment, not at the moment, but it will get used. So yeah, all good. Yeah, fine with that. £22. Yeah, I've got my value, so that's all good. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Alright, take care, look after yourselves, and I'll probably see you next weekend when I do whatever video comes up next. Alright, take care, see you soon. Bye.